Alrighty, guys. Today is Monday, August 18th, 2025. Today sucked. I mean, in my opinion, the trade setups I had, they were my model, and they were A, if not A plus. Like this 5 minute here, for example, definitely A plus in my opinion. We had an SMT at the highs. We swept buy side, and we're bouncing out of a 1 hour. And we have A plus target below, which is 5 minute LR, low resistance liquidity, and a good break even point. And I want you to watch carefully here and look at what the Monday no news price action decides to do. Okay, we go probably look at this. It is my fault for not putting a stop loss sooner, but recently with price action like this, sometimes it decides to just do that and then kind of go back down to where entry was. So I've tried to give it a little bit of time, but just wait. So this is my second trade of the day, by the way. I have the second one lined up after this video. But I mean, this is what's crazy about this trade to me is even when it's Monday with no news, this price, like the price action was surprisingly volatile, right? Yet despite the volatility and the A plus setup, it just it's so random in what it's doing. Like, I mean, and I was even more high confidence in this trade because my first trade we had already retraced. Like we did the kind of a similar thing in my first trade. So I don't even know, man. But what's even crazier is after I finally put a stop loss and got stopped out, price, like, I think we had like one of the biggest Drake candles I've ever seen, and we just went straight down to TP. So that's super frustrating. I mean, maybe there's something I'm missing other than the fact that, I mean, I just don't know if this is solely because of the fact that it's a Monday with no news. Because I can guarantee if I took this on any other day with like proper news in the middle of a week, this 5 minute would have been like one of the best setups of the day, you know? So I'm not sure what the hell's going on. I mean, it could be maybe we're because we're bouncing out of the. I really have no idea. This is what gets me most lost. And had I just held this, I mean, this is like the most retarded trade I've ever taken. But had I held this, I would have had a win. And it's just, I don't know. You can tell I'm pretty upset about this. I mean, it's hard not to be. It's just one of those things that it just sucks, you know? It just sucks, but I'm gonna get over it. And there's my stop out. And I'll go ahead and show you guys. Here's the first trade. But, where is... First trade, very similar story. We inversed first presented and just immediately I got stopped out. So it's what it is. But so this is the charts now. Look at the 5 minute trade that I took. That thing, like from when I exited, it just immediately went all the way down, swept all the sell side. So seeing that made me extremely frustrated. That was my last trade though. Just 2 losses today. I should have stopped after my first loss, but honestly, I don't know. I think I was just too emotional today, and man, I'm just so eager to make some money, bro. So, anywho, that was my day on the market today. We are gonna make this back, mark my fucking words. We're gonna make this back. It wasn't even our biggest loss ever, but this one just got under my skin. So yeah, we're gonna make all this shit back in the week. We're gonna end the week green. So, thanks for watching, guys. Sorry about my yapping, and I hope you guys had a better day than I did. See you tomorrow.